Have you ever felt like you can't start online because you may not know enough, or your nerves may be talking to you, making you feel like, hey, if you were to do this, you're gonna mess it up, you know? You see, that belief right there, that's what keeps people stuck from starting their online dream. And I'm telling you, when I started, I was far from an expert. I wasn't even a social media kind of person, but now I just follow a simple system. And that's what's helping me crush that small belief into nothing. The crazy part about it, it's the little things in life is what prevents you from moving forward. And you don't need to be a hype man out here. You don't need to be a genius. All you need is just a clear path, a simple system that gives you direction and clarity and momentum, even as a complete beginner. Here's the best part though. I know a system that's beginner friendly, is duplicatable, and has only 3 steps to follow. So if you've been waiting until you know enough, this is your sign to stop the waiting. Step 1 of step 3 is in my bio. Watch the quick breakdown, grab your starter pack, and activate your plan today. Let's build this together.